What is up, Show Nation? It's your boy Shane Wonder here, back with another video. In today's video, yes, ladies and gentlemen, today we are back with another video, and today we are going to do something new. But before we get into today's video, I just want to say thank you all so much for the 200 subs. We hit 200 subs yesterday. My camera is being a retard. But like I said, guys, thank you guys so much for 200 subs. Let's get to 300, baby. So today we are going to do exercises. I know a lot of you guys have been requesting workout videos. So today I'm going to show you workouts for abs. Ab workout for beginners. So anybody could do it. You don't need any equipment at all. All you need is your body and the motivation to do it. So without further ado, let's get started. But before we get into today's video, I need you to do me three things. One, I need you to hit that thumbs up button as hard as you possibly can. If you guys want to see more videos like this. Number two, I need you to double switch and make that notification bell so you know exactly what I post, and so you're part of the notification squad. And number three, I need you to double switch and make that subscribe button if you're already, because guys, we're so close to 300 subs. So let's get it with this video. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into today's video. So first, what we're gonna do, excuse the camera, because the tripod is being an absolute D today. I apologize. But so the first exercise we're gonna do is what they call high knee taps. So obviously you guys can't see my face, but just follow and listen to my voice. So what you're gonna do for high knee taps is pretty much get your knees as high as you can. So that way, that your knees, if you can, try to get them about like waist height. Do a little bit with you. Keep going, guys. You're doing good. All right. That's it for that one. So pretty much, I'm not gonna do them. I'm gonna do them all for you guys. But you really want to do these exercises. You want to do 45 seconds on and 15 minutes off. Just so you have like an interval of like rest and stuff. So the next one we're gonna do is what we call Russian twists. So I'm going to actually put you down here so you guys can see me do it. So pretty much what you're going to do is you're going to have your legs straight. Let me show you guys. You're going to have your legs straight out like that. What you want to do is you just want to tap on the floor and twist. Like this. Nice even stretch. Oh God. My camera is being an absolute dick. So I apologize, guys. But the tripod is not working with me today, apparently. Just keep doing it for a couple more minutes. All right, next one is what we call, I got my little thing here, leg raises. So third exercise is called leg raises. So what you want to do is pretty much have your legs straight up in the air and hold them for like a second or two and bring them back down. So it's pretty much like this. What you want to do is like all the way back, put your feet straight out, and down, up, and down, up, and down. Up 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 and down. Alright, guys. Like I said, I'm going through them all real quickly. My bad. So the next one is what we call hip raises. So it's pretty much the same thing as leg raises. Oh my god. The camera is so terrible. I apologize. I'm trying my best with the tripod and camera and everything else like that. So pretty much hip raises, same thing. Lay on your back, but instead of you're gonna do the same thing like you did with leg raises, but you're gonna have your hip all the way back. So it's like this, up, like that, up, in, 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 up. Alright, guys. That's what you call hip raises. The next one is flutter kicks. If you guys don't know what flutter kicks are, I'm going to show you. Fix the camera. It's just coming off the tripod again. So pretty much, flutter kicks, lie on your back once again, out, your legs are out, straight, and you're just going to kick them up and down, back and forth. Doesn't matter how fast you are, you just want to do them. It's working your core. Come on, guys. If I can do it, you can do it. Come on. Really working the core. Alright. Whew. I'm tired already. So the next one we have is plank, knee, and elbow. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to get into plank, elbows down, almost like you're in a position, push-up position. So you want to have a good plank on your elbow, and what you want to do is you want to bring your knee up to your elbow. So you're going to go up to your elbow and back, elbow, back, elbow, back, elbow, back, elbow, back, elbow, back. So let me put you like this, just so you guys can see what I'm doing. Plank, up to your knee, up to your elbow, I'm back. Couple more seconds, guys. Alright, guys. Couple more. I know. Sorry about the camera. I don't know what the camera's doing today. So pretty much the next thing is going to be chair sit-ups. So what you want to do is, bro, guys, I'm breaking a sweat right now. If you're not breaking a sweat, I don't know what you're doing wrong. So pretty much what you want to do. Oh, jeez. Camera's going everywhere. This camera's not working. tripod's not working with me today. Anyway. Alright, so what you want to do is lay back, have your feet up, and just push up. This camera's getting ridiculous. Let me fix this real quick. I'm trying my best, guys, but the camera ain't doing so good. Oh my word. Got my camera on the tripod. But it's being alright, whatever. I don't need a tripod. So what you want to do? Lay flat on your back like this, and have your feet all the way up. What you want to do is be like this, and you just want to sit up. Chair sit up. Alright, guys, 2 more. I'm out of it. I'm done. But we got 2 more. Next one is seated in and outs. What you're gonna do is you're gonna have your legs like this, straight out, and you're gonna bring them in like that. So out, in, out, in. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Alright. Last one is what we call jumping jacks. You all know jumping jacks. This one, I'll tell you guys how to do. This is the last and final one. Hopefully my camera won't be such a pain and we can actually do this one properly. Finish out. And there goes the tripod. Because no surprise there, right? The tripod all set up. I apologize. Technical difficulties in this video. But we gotta do what we gotta do, right? This tripod, bro. I think I've had enough with this tripod. Alright. You got this set you guys right here. Cause you guys know how to do jumping jacks. Put your camera, put my camera right there, because I'm done with the tripod. Jumping jacks, you guys know how to do jumping jacks. That's the last thing. Couple more, guys. You'll definitely be sweating after this. Alright, guys, that's it. I'm done. That is it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know this video. Hope this video helped you. I know there was technical difficulties in this video with the camera angle and stuff like that. with the tripod and everything. I apologize for that, but hope you guys got the gist of it. Like I said, my apologies for the camera angles and the tripod not working. Kind of figured that was going to be one of the downsides of making this video, but I did my best for you guys. That's all that matters. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And this video was so difficult making because of the, like I said, the camera angles and tripod not working correctly. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope this video was educational and help you guys getting that six ab routine going. Like I said, this is for beginners. If you guys want to see more for like advanced and intermediate, let me know down in the comment section below, and I will be happy to do it for you guys. Because I love doing this for you guys, and I won't change anything for the world. But yeah, so let me know down in the comments below if you guys want to see more videos like this, and if you guys want to see more other videos like the toilet stuff or whatever, let me know down in the comment section below. And yeah, so if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, like the video, and comment down below, and also hit that post notification bell so you never miss an upload. And yeah, as always guys, I'll see you guys in my video. Peace!